In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to adjust Rolex Submariner Bracelet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly adjust the size of your Rolex Submariner. So this will be done by using a specific latch that you can find on the watch itself. So all that you have to do is start by opening this bracelet here. So first, undo this connection, and once you open the safety catch, open the clasp. Now pull on the bracelet to release it from the notch in the rack. When you release it from here, you will be able to adjust the position of the bracelet to the desired length. Once you position it accordingly alongside this part here, you will be able to lock it down by clicking it into place. So you will be able to press down on this part and you will hear a click. This indicates that it has been now adjusted and properly positioned, and with this done, you can close down the original safety catch and clasp. So you undo what you did here. You pull it towards there and then you push this inside to close it. So it's as simple as opening it here, and once it has been opened and exposed, you adjust on the bracelet, releasing it from the notch in the rack. This should also work for other models as well, but like I said, the focus of this video is going to be the Submariner. So for the Submariner, this is how it looks like. You open the safety catch, open the clasp, pull on the bracelet to release it from the notch in the rack, and adjust the position of the bracelet to the desired length. So you don't have to use any special tools. You can do this completely with only your hands and your fingers. You don't need any sort of screwdrivers, and you don't need to undo the individual links. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Rolex Submariner Bracelet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.